So guys, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new updates. In this video I will show you top 4 lazy ways to earn money online at home. A person who is very lazy in his life can also use these ways to earn online money. So let's start the video. Don't forget to like the video. Passive income is a great way to earn money without having to actively work for it. It allows you to generate income even when you are not actively engaged in work. With the advent of the internet, there are numerous opportunities to earn passive income online. Here are the 4 lazy ways to earn money online. Number 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a business doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, the seller purchases inventory as needed from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, to fulfill orders. The biggest difference between dropshipping and the standard retail model is that the selling merchant doesn't stock or own inventory, they act as the middleman. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves referring a product or service by sharing it on a blog, social media platform, podcast, or website. The affiliate earns a commission each time someone makes a purchase through the unique affiliate link associated with their recommendation. Number 3. Cloud mining. Cloud mining is a mechanism to mine cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin. Uses rented cloud computing power without installing or directly running the hardware and related software. The mining rigs are housed and it is maintained in a facility owned by a mining company, and the customer just need to register and purchase mining contracts or shares. Creating an online course is a fantastic way to turn your expertise into a source of passive income. If you have knowledge in a particular subject or skill, you can create a course and sell it on a platform like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera. Once you have created the course, it becomes an asset that can generate income for your overtime. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon, and also like the video.